In this example, we are going to be determining a GGE. A GGE stands for gallon gasoline equivalent. And what that means is that we're used to understanding what miles per gallons are. When it's advertised that a car gets 25 miles to the gallon, we all know that what that means. But there are other types of fuel that cars can run on, alternate types of fuel, and this table lists a handful of the most popular alternate types of fuel. And when a car uses an alternate fuel, it lists the miles that it gets according to that type of alternate fuel that it's using. So we use a thing called MPGE, and that means miles per gallon equivalent. So when a car is using an alternate fuel and it lists the miles that it gets on that alternate fuel, how can we translate that into miles per gallon of gasoline? So we take the MPG, the miles per gallon equivalent, and that's going to be equal to whatever the vehicle advertises its alternate fuel gets. And then we times it to the GGE, and the GGE is listed here for these other alternative fuels. So, for this example, it says the Honda FCX Clarity is a hydrogen-fueled car. Its fuel consumption is advertised as 72 miles per kilogram of hydrogen, which is 72 miles per kilogram. That's in weight of hydrogen. Determine the miles per gallon equivalent for the FCX Clarity. So it uses hydrogen, and if we look right here, here's the hydrogen down here. So the vehicle, it advertises as getting 72 miles per kilogram of hydrogen. How can we equate that to miles per gallon of gasoline? So we take the 72 miles and we multiply that to the gallon of gasoline equivalent. And this right here, here's our GGE. We just kind of go down here and list it right here, and it's 0.249. Multiply the 72 to 0.249, and that comes out to be 17.928, or close to 18. So what does that mean? So a car that advertises as getting 72 miles per kilogram of hydrogen, equivalently, that's like saying it's getting about 18 miles per gallon of gasoline.